Hey guys, we are doing some more behind the scenes here at Magic Hair Company, located in Culver City. We are your favorite glueless, full lace and front lace wig store, and we're just doing a little behind the scenes as we process these 2 boxes of hair here, and we're doing some custom color for a client. How would we describe this color? Did it start out in a 1B?
It started off as a 1B, so then we went in and we made the base color a brown, but we're gonna go tone it down because it has a really bright red undercolor and she wants ash, so we're gonna just tone it down so it's no longer red.
So yeah, all that color talk there, I don't know what it means, just kidding, I did. But yeah, so she's just depositing some color on there, and we custom color here at Magic Hair Company. Here are some bundles that we have. We do have just a few Indian wavy bundles available. You see this raw Indian wavy hair. It's in stock right now. Get it while it's in stock. Head on over to magichaircompany.com where we have all of the best lace wigs. This is wig number 410 over here, a 12-inch kinky curly. If you are looking for really natural wigs and extensions that are easy to install, and you can come on here to Magic Hair Company, have a custom color one-on-one consultation. We will definitely take care of you. We have our very own keratin shampoo and conditioner, which is the best thing to use on your quality extensions. And this is what we use in store and what we highly recommend you to use to maintain your curly and wavy hair. This is what you need. This is great because it gives you a nice soft hold, not a hard hold. Thank you. And it's available online at magichaircompany.com as well as our website. We do have contactless pickup right now. Definitely go to our website and subscribe to our newsletter so you will be the first to know about all of our sales, promotions, and discounts. We had a promotion last month where we did free custom color on all wigs at Magic Hair Company, so that's another reason why you should definitely sign up for our newsletter. We've been here watching Girlfriends all day because it's on Netflix now, so that's what we watch here. But yeah, check us out at Magic Hair Company. Let me show you guys this braided wig. We have braided wigs coming on October 15th. They will be available. We have lots of wigs coming this week, so we always put our wig heads down here to prep for our next order. We have this fabulous braided wig in stock. This is wig number 550. Check out the quality and detail on this. It's a simple top knot, has baby hair. This is unit number 550 coming on December 15th at Magic Hair Company. We have about 8 different braided wigs coming. This is our beautiful silky straight with a bang. Tomorrow is Friday, so don't forget our live 3 o'clock wig show here on Facebook Live and Instagram Live, where we will showcase a lot of the different wigs that we currently have in stock and available here. So here is another angle of us coloring this hair right here. Definitely let us color your wigs and extensions. If you know you want some custom color, let us do it for you here in store. Why go through the hassle of then taking your wig to your hairstylist or trying to color it yourself at home when we can color the hair right here for you at magichaircompany.com. Somebody earlier asked me about a 22-inch jet black deep body wave with bangs. So that is wig number 541. This is wig 547. If you want to see more of our wigs, check us out on our live show tomorrow at 3 p.m. live here on Facebook and Instagram. Let us know if there's any wig numbers you would like to see me in. We are here in store at Magic Hair Company. We have great wigs in stock. Go on over to our website, magichaircompany.com, and you'll see a lot of these different options that we have available. And anything that you see here, we can definitely custom color for you. All of our full lace and front lace wigs have up to 6 inches of parting space in the front, so you can always change the part on any of the wigs here, whether it's full lace or front lace. We are not currently taking installation appointments, but we are here in store. Hi guys, you guys like my mask that I made? It has my name on it over here. and then it has our logo. Don't forget to wear a mask when you guys come in store. I don't know why lately people think they need to come in with no mask, but please wear a mask when you're in store because we're all strangers and we want to be able to stay open and stay healthy. I have hand sanitizer everywhere. Here's some of our longer wigs that we have in stock. Or you can definitely sign up for contactless pickup. So if you know the exact unit number that you want, or your order's ready, just let us know you're on the way and we will gladly meet you outside. So in store, we have some things that aren't listed on the website. We have these 20-inch kinky straight clip-ins. This is the same beautiful kinky straight as our wig hair. We have some already pre-custom colored bundles. We have some gray bundles. Let us know how we can assist you. We are your custom glueless, full lace, and front lace wig maker located here in Culver City. All right, guys, I'm about to get off here. Just wanted to briefly show you some of the wigs we have in stock. Don't forget, guys, check us out at magichaircompany.com. We're located here in Culver City. Our current store hours are Wednesday through Saturday, 11 to 6 p.m. Those are our current COVID hours. This is unit number 410. We get a lot of requests for kinky curly. The best thing to maintain that kinky curly hair is our hydrating curl definer and amplifier. All right, guys, check us out at magichaircompany.com. Don't forget to subscribe to our newsletter on our website. We can custom make you the wig of your dreams and take care of the custom color here at Magic Hair Company. See you tomorrow, 3 p.m. Bye.